going to show you how you can make $1,200 by doing this simple stuff online. Okay, I'm going to show you a shocking way to make money with CPA marketing. Okay, you have been hearing about CPA marketing. This is simple mean cost per action. If you can follow me step by step to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a fast way to make money with this CPA marketing, never heard before. And with this particular method, you can make more than 1,200. Okay, I will also show you a lot of people that have been doing this before, and I will show you that this is really working. That's my promise. So let's go. We are in CPA grip, okay, because I'm going to make use of CPA grip. I love this particular website because this website accepts every part of the world, everybody. As far as you are a human being, this website accepts everybody. If you are in this website, all you need to do is just to type cpagrip.com and you will get yourself here. And once you are here, the next thing is to sign up. Sign up is very simple and straight. Once you are here, you click on sign up, and after signing up, because of time, I don't want to waste time on signing up because I have been talking about sign up on my other videos. So if you want to know how to sign up, the sign up is very simple. You can watch my other videos where I explain everything. So without wasting much of our time, let's log in. Boom, we are inside. Please let me show you something. Just click on dashboard. We are in dashboard right now. After registration, you'll get yourself in dashboard. For me to tell you that this is working, let me show you a lot of people that have been doing this and the money they have been making. This is the number one. This person earned $128.27 yesterday. This is yesterday. And this particular person earned 878.13 cents 7 days ago. And this particular person earned 9,642.57 cents with how many lead? This is 2,674 lead per week, because a lot of people we must surely do this thing we are about to tell them to do for us, because giveaway is something that everybody wants. Even rich man need giveaway. That's the truth. So we click on something like, you can do it with anything. You can do this particular strategy with anything, but for example, we are going to use giveaway, something like iPhone. We search for iPhone. This is it. We search for iPhone, and this first one will give you $1.71, and this particular one will give you $8.21. And if you notice, this one all mobile phone, this one all mobile phone, and what they are going to submit is their email and zip submit. Okay, this one is only pin submit. That's what you are going to be checking. This one you can do it with desktop, and this one is pin submit. Okay, this one also desktop, email submit. We keep checking. This one is desktop, pin submit, and this one is iPhone 14. You keep checking till you see the one that suits your. You keep searching until you see the one you want. You keep searching. So that's how we do it. So once you see the one you love, the next thing to do is just to click on that particular one, and as you can see, they will pay you $2.14. Okay, for this particular one. For tracking domain, you click on this particular one, whatiffiles.com. You click on that, copy the link. This is for example. You move to the next level after copying our link. This is our affiliate link. This link is very special. This link is something that will generate a lot of money for us. So we click on the next website, which is bitly.com. We click on bitly.com, click on create new link. We paste our link here. What this website does is to shorten your link so that it will be very unique. You click next. wow, this is our unique link. This is our unique link. You copy it. After that, we go to another place. Okay, like let's go back to this particular. See what we are going to do. We are going to go to Chrome or any web browser. We are going to download this particular phone, iPhone 13 Pro. We are going to download it. So let's go and download it. Search for it, iPhone 13 Pro. So once you are here, the next thing we are going to do is just to click on image. Click on image so that it will bring all the image. This is it. Download any one of your choice. You click on this. Save. After saving it, the next thing we are going to do is just to change this background. Once you type background remover here, they will bring so many background remover for you. But you are going to go to another website, which is canva.com. Please, these things I'm saying, please keep doing it. After do this particular one, you pause and listen to what I'm about to explain for the next step. After doing it, what we do here is we take it step by step. That's what we do here. So after saving the image, we go for this particular website. What this website will help you do is just to create a thumbnail or create any banner for you, a unique banner for you, a beautiful banner for you. So if you want to make use of this, because we are going to make this particular one to design our image so that it will be unique, we click on this, the template. We leave it to load. Just remember that this works with your phone. This works with your phone. This works with your phone, so you can make use of your phone. Once you are here, click on this particular one, YouTube thumbnails. This is a place where we can design our image. All you need to do is just to come to this particular, this one is element, this one is template, like this. It will show you this already made template so that you can make use of it, but you are going to start from scratch. You are going to start from scratch. So all we need to do is just to click on this particular one, elements. This is upload text. We can write something on this place, this image. Photos, we can add photos. Styles, we can add styles. This one is audio, you can add audios, but we are not making use of all those ones. We are going to make use of this very one. If you click here, you can search for the image you downloaded and you can add it here. Then all those ones are the image that I downloaded. So if you click on any of it, this is how, can you see how I'm doing it? You can do this with your phone. If you want to do it with your phone, just rush to Play Store and download canva.com. Once you are in Play Store, you can download Canva. So can you see how it look like? The next thing we are going to do is add the text. You put it here, this is headline. You write something about this image. This is where you can start editing it. But because of time, we are not going to do all this. I'm just giving you instances the way you can do it. It's very simple. In fact, you will fall in love with it if you start doing this. But let's go, let me show you already made the one that I've done before. So I did here, iPhone 13 Pro, and I wrote here 2022 Ember Month giveaway. Win a free iPhone 13 Pro. To enter the free giveaway, follow those steps. Okay, retweet this post on your feed. Okay, this is where we can make use of Twitter. This is the place we are going to use Twitter. Okay, to enter the free giveaway, follow those steps. Number 1, retweet this post on your feed. Tag a friend who would love to win iPhone 13 Pro. click the link in the bio to submit your entry. Okay, you must complete all the steps, one entry every 24 hours. As you can see, this is what I wrote here. All right, so the trick here is that once someone retweets this particular image here, it will help this particular link to go viral. This image, it will help it to go viral, and once it goes viral, you keep making money. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do all those things. Okay, so after working on this image, this particular one, you can go to Chrome also, or any browser of your choice. You can download this gift, and once you download it, you come here, upload it, and bring it here. Very simple. So the next step we are going to take is website, twitter.com. Everybody use Twitter, but what I want you to do is just, once you are here, create new account. Don't use your normal Twitter to do this. Okay, create new account, and once you create new account, all you need to do is just to come to this search. Once you come to this search, you can, okay, let's go back. Can you see that? Okay, this is United Kingdom. That's where they want us to push the offer. United Kingdom. So in search, you can paste that United Kingdom. So once you are here, you need to be adding all those people. Keep adding, keep following all of them. Keep following all of them. And what this thing means is that once someone use your link to do all those things, it will help you to generate more lead. And once you generate more lead, they will be paying you. How much are they going to be paying you? They are going to be paying you 2.05. That's the amount they are going to be paying you once someone complete the offer. You are going to be getting 2.05. Wow, this is wonderful. And you times it times thousands of people that are going to participate in this. You will keep making money. This is very simple. All right. After creating new accounts, what you are going to do is just to design. Okay, this place, you can go the same place and download this particular giveaway, or any type of giveaway. You can download it. Just be the lord of giveaway. Keep uploading all those features. Once you come to CPA grip, you can do it with different type, but let it be United States, because you are doing it to United States. That's our target. So you come to that place, you come to Twitter. Once you are in Twitter, you keep typing that particular country. Keep following all of them. Anybody from that country, keep following them. And what this will do is that all those people will start seeing your post, and once they see your post, they will love to retweet and do everything you ask them to do. And once they complete the offer, you keep making your money. So what I did was, I come to this place, Twitter. You come to this particular image. Can you see that? Then you can add that image you created from Canva. You add the image. Then this place, add description. You click on add description, and then you go and copy your link, the link that you shorten. Sorry, you copy the link. Once you copy your link, you paste your link here and click save. Then you can tweet. Keep repeating this. Okay, keep repeating it. You will thank me later, because you are going to make a lot of money from this particular trick. You are going to make a lot of money with this particular trick. So keep following anybody here. Keep following them. So that's the way to make 1,000 plus, because a lot of traffic, not everybody that knows those stuff here. So that's the reason why you are going to make a lot of money by doing this particular one. I'm going to show you another trick, okay, but I will just touch it small, and maybe in another video I will treat it well so that you understand it. This is another website that will help you get people to your Twitter account. So this website is called phantombooster.com. This is another powerful tools that will help get a lot of lead. Okay, as you can see, it's a new era of lead generation. So once you come here, you can add it to your Chrome. As you can see, I have added it to my Chrome. Where is it again? Okay, can you see that I have added it to my clone? So once you added it to your clone, you come to this particular place, browse Phantom. Once you are here, you can go to this particular one, okay, Twitter follower collector. Okay, it will help you collect Twitter followers, and this one, Twitter auto followers. Let's make use of this one. You click here. After you click this particular one, the next thing is to connect. You need to connect to Twitter. Paste your Twitter handle. Paste your Twitter season cookie here. Auto token. You go to your Twitter, like this very one. Let me click this one, copy it, then I'll go back and paste it. And connect. It's now connected to Twitter. Can you see that? You save. So what this does is it will keep, it's a robot. It will keep getting followers to you. It will keep getting followers, so that those followers will be the one to retweet your tweet. Okay, they will be the one to retweet your tweet, and once they retweet it, and they will tag their best friend that they wanted to make the win the iPhone with. And once this person tag this person, the friend will still do the same thing. The friend of that friend will do the same thing, and it will keep going like that. That's the secret. And this is something that, not something that will start today and you start making $20,000 today, or $10,000 today, or $5,000 today, or $1,000 today. Okay, it's something that will keep increasing gradually, okay, until you start making it big. So if you love what I'm doing here, what I want you to do is just to smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And be the first person to watch people mean that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategy. Okay, so peace out.